Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Shadowing Practice with Sophia. We're now at episode 12 of season 1. I'm so pleased you're continuing this journey with me. Let's get straight into our practice. Listen carefully to my sentences, pause, and then repeat them, focusing on that smooth, natural English rhythm. Today, I want to celebrate something many of us enjoy daily, often without giving it much thought. Simple pleasures, enjoying a cup of coffee or tea. In our fast-paced lives, taking a few moments to savor a warm beverage can be a surprisingly profound source of comfort and calm. Think about your morning coffee or your afternoon tea. For many, it's more than just a drink. It's a ritual. It might be the quiet moment you have to yourself before the day begins, a chance to gather your thoughts, or a welcome pause in a busy schedule. The warmth of the cup in your hands, the aroma, the first sip, these small sensations can be incredibly grounding. Enjoying a cup of coffee or tea can also be a social activity. Meeting a friend for coffee is a common way to connect and chat. Sharing a pot of tea can be a lovely, relaxed way to spend time with family or colleagues. These moments of shared enjoyment create connection and can lead to wonderful conversations. Moreover, the variety is astounding. With coffee, you have espresso, cappuccino, latte, and countless brewing methods. With tea, there's black tea, green tea, herbal tea, fruit infusions, each with its own unique flavor profile and potential benefits. Exploring these different types can be a little adventure for your taste buds. For some, the act of preparing their coffee or tea is part of the pleasure. Carefully measuring the coffee grounds, waiting for the tea to steep perfectly, these small, mindful actions can be almost meditative. It's a simple way to practice being present in the moment. And let's not forget how these drinks can make us feel. Coffee can provide a welcome boost of energy and focus, while many teas, especially herbal ones, can be very calming and soothing. They can offer comfort on a cold day or a refreshing break when you're feeling tired. So, the next time you have your cup of coffee or tea, I encourage you to take an extra moment to really enjoy it. Notice the aroma, the taste, the warmth. Appreciate this simple pleasure. It's these little things that often add a lot of quiet joy to our lives. I hope this topic gives you some comforting thoughts and, of course, plenty of excellent phrases for your shadowing practice. Keep up the wonderful work, and I'll see you in episode 13. Bye!